This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make division easily. We will start by understanding what division truly means and its relationship to multiplication. Think of division as sharing a total amount equally among a certain number of groups. For example, if you have 10 cookies and want to share them with 2 friends, each person gets 5 cookies. This fundamental concept is key to mastering division with confidence and speed. Let's clarify the essential terms we use in division. The dividend is the total quantity you are splitting up. The divisor tells you how many equal groups you are making or the size of each group. The answer you get is called the quotient. Sometimes, you might have a number left over that cannot be divided equally. This is known as the remainder. For instance, 17 divided by 5 gives a quotient of 3 with a remainder of 2. To make division simpler, try a few effective strategies. First, rely on your multiplication tables. Knowing that 5 times 6 is 30 immediately tells you 30 divided by 6 is 5. For bigger numbers, decompose the dividend into parts that are easier to divide. For example, dividing 125 by 5 can be seen as 100 divided by 5 plus 25 divided by 5. Long division is a systematic method for more complex problems. Consistent practice is truly the best way to master division. Begin with straightforward problems, like 24 divided by 4, and gradually move to more challenging ones. Apply division to everyday situations, such as splitting a restaurant bill among 3 friends or calculating how many items you can buy with a certain amount of money. Regularly reviewing your solutions helps reinforce understanding and builds confidence in your mathematical abilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.